WPC floor production process consists of mixing system, extrusion system, calibrator system, drawer, cutting machine, cutter and automatic plate lifting machine, about 6 parts. Measure other processing aids separately and blend before putting them into the material mixing station via the vacuum feeder. In order to melt the processing aids and remove the water vapor in the raw materials, mix the raw materials in high speed to raise the temperature to 125 to 130 degrees by friction heating, so that the materials will meet the requirements of further using. Then cool the materials rapidly to prevent the occurrence of early plasticization or processing auxiliary decomposition. Release the cooled materials and feed them into screw barrel at a uniform speed via the screw feeder. Twin screw feeding can make sure the steadiness of feeding process free from the starting and stopping effects. In this process, temperature control is very critical. Boyu WPC floor production process divides temperature control into 5 zones, setting the starting temperature from 190 degrees centigrade to 220 degrees centigrade and gradually reducing it. The hardware part, Zone 1. Other heating zones. The software part. The adoption of temperature control module and relay board makes sure the successful output of heating and cooling signal. With the help of high-accuracy thermocouple for temperature measurement, the temperature is accurately controlled. When the plasticization is done, the materials will be squeezed out and pushed into molds, whose size will be determined by the requirements of final products. Materials come out of the mold and enter the calibrator system. First of all, lift the shaping plate. When materials arrive in the first section, put them down in turn. Boyu WPC floor production line has 4 parts shaping plate. Each shaping plate is connected to cooling water with good cooling effect. It makes the surface of production smooth. Drawer delivers the material to the cutting machine for cross-cutting. Positioned by the positioning baffle. Cut by the saw blade when the plate falls down. Final products will be lifted and stacked to the packing area by the automatic plate lifting machine.